Hi, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our handwriting today. Today we're doing the hand activity. So we're going to see if our letters are small, if they're tall, or if they're descending, which means like they're below the line. Okay, so here's the word cow, and it is spelled C-O-W. Now, do you notice all the letters are in between the lines? So there's small. The C is small. The O is small. The W is small. So when we write this word, all of our letters are in between the lines. Do you see that? So our word cow has all small letters. C-O-W, cow. Do you notice that I took my time? First I traced, then I wrote, and I wrote it to be exactly the same. All right, none of my letters are too high, none of my letters are too low. Let's take a look at the word do. Notice the D. It's a tall letter, so it has the tall finger up to tell you that D is a tall letter. And then we're looking at the O. What do you think? It's a small letter because it has its fist like this because it's in between the lines. So let's make those. Magic C, keep going, down, bump. And the O, magic C, keep going, stop. Now let's make that exactly. After I've traced, I'm going to make that. Now if you notice, my D is tall, so I gotta go way up and then down. My O is small, stay in between the lines. Wonderful. Now let's take a look at this word. You should know this word because it's a sight word. It's go. Take a look at your G. Is it small, small, tall, or descending? It's descending because it's coming below the line. All right, and how about the O? That is small, it's in between. So let's make the G. We're going to trace it. Magic C, keep going, up, bump, down, turn. Magic C, keep going, stop. Now let's do one here. We're going to make the G first. Magic C, up like a helicopter, bump, down, turn. And now the G, the O. Magic C, up. Look I went out of the lines a little bit. I want to fix that. So if you went out of the lines, fix it. All right, start at the top. There, much better. All right, this is a sight word too, boys and girls. One of our first ones that we learned. Do you remember it? At. Take a look at the A. It's small, and the T is tall. So let's first make that A. Keep it in the lines. Wonderful. And the T. Perfect. That's tall. So now I'm going to make it. Magic C. Up. Like a helicopter. Down. Bump. Kept it in the lines. Now my T has to be taller. It's a tall letter. Wonderful. All right. Let's take a look at this word. Dog. Dog. The D is tall. The O is small. And the G is descending, or a fall letter. We've got one of each. So let's make the D. Beautiful. Then the O, kept it in between the lines. G, up like a helicopter, bump, down, turn. All right, now it's my turn to do it. D, up and down. The O in between the lines, and the G, magic C, up, bump, down, turn. Dog. Again, make sure you do your best handwriting. Take your time. All right, now we have the word goat. The G is a descending letter, the O small, the A small, the T tall. Again, we have all of those. We have small, tall, and descending. All right, so let's make some of those. G, magic C, up, and then a turn, Oh, take your time, guys. And then your G. So you can see none of these letters are capital. They're not the big letters. I've noticed in some work that we're making big capitals, but that you need it to look just exactly how they have it up here. Okay? And that's why we trace it, so you get used to how your pencil works with your hand when you're making that letter. There's my G, O, A, T. Goat. Wonderful. I'm going to also post a song about fall, tall, and small letters. Okay? That'll be on as well. All right, boys and girls, I'd love you to take a picture of this and send me your beautiful work when you get finished. All right, have a great day.